Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Stacy, and tonight we are going to paint some cute little lovebirds and a little scene with some different bubbly shapes in the background just for fun. I might get in here with colored pencils here and there. Mostly thinking about doing watercolor. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so let's just get started. I have out my Princeton Neptune round number 18. I feel like I'm going to paint my birds first, but in the interest of keeping them in the forefront, I'm going to go ahead and paint my background first. Gently. A little bit sectioned off. That. It's warm in here, so my water's going to dry pretty quickly on the paper. I just want to block in some of the background here real quick. Okay, I'm going to use these. I want to be kind of pinks and blues, so I think I'm going to go greens in the background. Let's start with sap. Let's start with sap. And I'm just going to, actually, let's just, instead of getting particular about it right away, let's just drop in some pretty soft, painterly kind of marks like that. Green, let's put in some phthalo down here. And some water, maybe a little bit of phthalo up here as well. There, there, there. Right. Bring that phthalo right down those leaves. Grab some sap. Put that there. Sap. Right there. That. And down here. Okay. Grab some sap. And just drop it in here and there. Phthalo. That. Yeah, kind of dig that. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like that. Okay. I'll go with that. Oh, neighbor's dogs are barking. Mm. What's that? Oh yeah, that looks so nice. I'm digging the phthalo on top of the sap. That's really pretty. Like that. I did that too. Oh, this is fun. Ah. I've created, this is the 6th piece of art I've created tonight. Um, Decided to stop, take a break, watch some TV, sat on the patio, had a beverage. I'm making food right now, and I'm feeling much more mellow and in my head, much less in my head. So, yeah. I feel like I want to soften this edge right here, though. There we go. I like that better. Okay, now. There. Okay. Good. Yeah, I want to do that. Okay. Let's put a little more bright along that edge. Sorry about the motorcycle sound. It's summertime. These are the sounds that are going to be in the background of my videos. I live kind of next to a pretty busy road, so yeah. That's just how these things go, you guys. Okay. Are we liking this? I'm kind of really digging the vibe. I want to put some green gold in it, though, I think. Let's try it down here and see if I like it. Right here. Some more water. And pull it around. So I started watching that show on HBO Max. I pay for HBO through Amazon. The flight attendant. Y'all know the girl that played Penny in Big Bang, right? Well, she's the lead actress in this, and she's doing a phenomenal job. I don't know why I'm surprised, but I'm really digging the show kind of a lot. It's right up my alley. Right, there's that one. Nice and bright. Maybe this one can be bright back here. Next to the tree. I'm really digging the show. Have any of you watched it? Don't spoilers in the notes now. I'm only on like episode. What episode am I on? Oh, it says I'm on episode 2 of season 1. These are really long episodes. Well, at any rate, I'm digging it. Oh yeah, that looks cool. Alright, let's put some up here. Maybe this one can have a little bit of green gold on it. Like that, right? Oh yeah. Okay, kind of digging that. Don't want to do too much to the background before we get our birds in there, but I did want to make sure my birds were in there before I got or my background was in before I got too crazy with my birds. You guys feel me, right? There's green gold. My leaves. Because I like how it looks. These are core watercolors, by the way. I know my M Grand palette is right here, but I keep reaching up here for my core colors. There's not a green gold in here, because there is. Let's grab my swatch though, so I don't grab the wrong color. Well, it's more of a nickel azo, which is this guy right here. It's not quite right, but it is nice. So I'm digging the show a lot. I put it on pause so that I can come over here and work on painting for you guys. Got a little bit more of this and come up here. Maybe not quite that much. Put it there. Maybe a little bit there. And a skosh there and there. Okay. I think those textures. Ooh. Textures are nice. Yeah, dig that. I'll let some of this dry and do some like textures. Those are cool. Alright, but my tape's coming up. Because my paper buckled. So rude. Get that come down a little bit. Touch of water. Okay. Some textures. Some bits. I like those textures. Okay. Let's do a little bit more of that. Over here. And up here. And down. Okay. That's fun. Okay. Let's get our Venetian red and a little bit of ochre. Come in here and put base color for our tree and our twig. I am super hungry. I really need the food to be done now. I switched my diet back to my vegan diet, and man, you eat a lot more food when you eat healthy. You don't think you do, but you do. There's a lot more intake happening to get those carbs going. And, yeah, a lot more food when you're eating healthy. A great big old salad. I'm going to have some taters and motorcycles. Wet that a little more. That's a little more. Dinner's done. Oh, thank God. I'm so hungry. I need this background to dry anyways, so it's all good. Let's grab some Venetian. Get some textures in over here. There. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Coming together. Maybe drop in a little bit of Venetian and I don't quite know what's going on down here. Leaves, tree situation. I dig it. I'm really liking this. Oh, yay. Let's let this dry, and then maybe I can tape it back down so I can keep my clean border. That'll be ideal. I need better washi tape. If anyone has a line on good tape for the edges of painting, drop in the comments below. I'd be highly interested, because washi tape looks nice when you're videoing, but it's not terribly effective. Alright, I'm going to go eat and then let this dry. Maybe it'll flatten down a little bit, and we'll work on our birds, and then we'll fine tune all the rest, because our birds need to be like popping off that page. Okay. Hi guys, it is the next day. I ended up getting lost in that show last night. It's a little heavier than I was expecting, and then all my tape came up. So we're going to go ahead and untape now. I normally wait till the end, but it's already off. So we're just gonna do this because I'm done with washes anyways. We're going to get in there and do our finishing touches on the background after we do our birds. I'm really liking how this piece is turning out. It is 3:05 in the afternoon on Saturday, so this is a day late coming up. I apologize. But, yeah, like I said, got stuck in that show last night after I sat down on the couch, and, you know, you're not supposed to sit down. You're just not supposed to. And, I have a little prompt down here that I was going to have this paper be, and it turned out to be this instead. So get rid of all that. And then let's paint in our birds. And I want them to be kind of rainbow colored. So I'm just gonna, because I want this piece to feel light and happy and sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and wet them in. And then this morning I went to have breakfast with my mom, and I just got back about a half an hour ago, 40 minutes ago or so. Picked up the house, put on some comfy clothes because it is warm out. It's, what is the temperature in here right now? 82 in the apartment, which is not unbearable. I'm comfortable, I'm just warm. So I have on a light summer dress and the fans are on. That's what you can hear running in the background. Odd thing about the fans is they kind of drowned out the road noise, which is great. I'm going to use some of this green. I'm gonna go ahead and put little bits of color here and there. Okay, I'm going to stop fussing with them, mostly because I like how they look right now. I might go over a couple sections with colored pencil, but let's finish up our background. Background. Done. Right there. Good. Alright, this is teal up here, so let's... Yeah, in that area. Teal. Kind of bleed around and be what it wants to be a little bit. Like that. Okay. This is that phthalo green that I don't really care for, but for someone who doesn't care for it very much, I'm reaching the bottom of this pan on here, so maybe I need to stop saying I don't care for it. Wet this in. And this one can be... There it is, alright. Dramatic. There. Mix in some sap in there as well. Variation. Get some water. And just kind of let it bleed around a little bit. And down into there. How's that? Okay, I'm done with the circles. Let's go ahead and do the branch and leaves. Let's do the branch first. And some... I like that. What color are you again? Raw umber. And the core color, which is a really nice dark brown. Yeah, I like that. Look at the brightness over there. just here and there. Like that. That works. And then here. Yep. Yep. Dig it. Alright, let's grab our set. Here. Define leaf shapes. You don't want them to steal the show, right? But we do want them to look like foliage, like that. Okay, are we done? Now we're done with that. Let's grab my soft pink corally colored pencil. Top of this pink here and there. These are last minute finishing touches. Yeah, I like that. Kind of softens out that watercolor a bit. Makes them look more fluffy. More floofy, I feel. A little bit of texture on the paper is helping with that. A little bit of fluffiness that I want. Okay, over here, put a little bit right here. And forehead, and then some down here. A bit of overlapping texture on top of that green. And a little bit right here. Closed eyelid right there. Okay, and then maybe just a touch. Mostly for the textures. Okay. What else do I have floating around up here that won't work? I have other color pencils. Where did I put those? Okay, they're right here. Somebody did it. Okay. Put that there, that there. Let's grab out. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay. gently. Okay. Like that. I think I like that. And then I think I'm going to go over the top of it with this yellow. Nope. This softer yellow. Yeah, there it is. There it is. That softer, more pastel feeling. Kind of blend it a bit. Push it into the page. Like that. Do you like that? Yeah. Okay. Quick, 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 quick. Too carried away. Like that. Yep. I'm not gonna mess with the teal up there. I like it the way it looks. Oh yeah. Okay. This one. And this one. Just a teensy bit right here. Just a teensy little bit of textures. Once again, so that he looks all floofy. Very technical terminology, guys. It's floofy. Yes. These things happen from time to time. Yeah, that looks awesome. Little floofies. And here's one. Like this. And go right through here. That's it. I'm very happy with it. I'm gonna leave it alone. I like it as is. And yeah, super, super happy with it. What do you guys think of the concepts? A little, do you like the background? Do you not? Here's a close up. Do like a nice close up of our little birds. Oh, they love each other. Oh, I love how this turned out. Yeah, I'm super happy with it, you guys. What do you think? I'm really digging that background too. Do you guys like that kind of background? I'm kind of digging it. Alright, so that's our piece for today. I hope you enjoyed the process. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!